Ko te Ora Hou Ōtautahi, he wāhanga o tētahi tōpūtanga rōpū āhāhi, e whakawhanake ana i ngā rangatahi, hapori hoki, e mahi nui ana me te hunga taiohi. He whare hou mā ngā rangatahi e kua whakatūria e te tumu rāta, hei whakahaere i ngā hōtaka Māori māua rangatahi. Kei a muri wai heina whakamārama.
E whā te koutou tēnei ohu o te Ora Hou e tatari atu ana ki te whakatīnana i tana moemoia.
People have prayed and prayed for a unique space like this. This whare along with our chapel, if all the buildings were to go, it's our DNA, it's who we are.
Neke atu I te tahi mano warurau ngā rangatahi kua āwhina e te Ora Hou I roto I te taukotahi, I ngā hōtaka hararei me te mahi ngātahi ki te taho o ngā kura putanoa I Aotearoa. He whare hou tēnei e hāngai pūana ki e rāmahi, I raro hoki I te wairua Māori.
The site development is really kind of solidified our organisation as being a Māori organisation. You know, on paper we're an Indigenous faith-based organisation. Having this site being completed has, authenticated that. We're Māori, we look Māori, and therefore a lot of our programs, we run it through a Māori lens. Having a whare has, allowed us to do programs through Māori protocols to Māori tikanga, and has allowed Māori rangatahi and whānau feel like, they can be in a place like this and be who they are.
What is real unique is that we work from a kaupapa Māori lens. So we have I wouldn't say model of practice, we call it our way of being here, which is our toha toha, and we believe that every young person and their whānau, they're all rangatira in one way or another, so we help them go on that journey to stand in their rangatiratanga.
Ko tētahi o ngā whāinga matua te ohunei, ko te tātai ake ngā honohononga kaua ki te tamaiti noa iho, engari ki tōna whānau whānui.
We go out of our way to still have face-to-face contact with whānau. We make sure that they know who we are, because we offer a whole bunch of other services, right? And so we have a lot of social services that whānau can tap into if they need it, and that breaks down a lot of barriers for them, because often whānau can't navigate certain systems like MSD or oranga tamariki or even just education itself. And so when we're able to have that face-to-face, we're able to help them, be advocates or at least empower them to have a voice.
Get them online!
Ka mutu, he ahuru mō wai kia tipu ora ake ai ngā rangatahi I raro I te tāhu o te haumaru.
The environment is really hyped up, and it's just like a safe place to come. Like, even if you don't know anyone, you can just come, and everyone is real friendly and it's really inclusive.
We create a place for them to be connected to and a people to connect to allow them to find their purpose.
Muri wai hei, Te Ao Mārama.